Let me ask you something deeply honest. Have you ever stood in front of your mirror, fully dressed, and still felt invisible? Not ugly, not messy, and not even badly dressed, just unfinished. Like something about the woman staring back at you no longer reflects the energy you feel inside. So you adjust the blouse, you smooth the fabric, you pull at the sleeves, you blame the lighting. But deep down, something still feels off. And what most women never realize is this. Sometimes it's not your body that's aging your appearance, it's your blouse. Because after years of studying fashion for Black women over 50, I've noticed something powerful. The women who always look elegant, refined, and effortlessly modern are usually avoiding the exact blouse mistakes most women don't even realize they're making. And today, we are exposing all 7 of them. Some of these mistakes are subtle, some are surprisingly common, and one of them is probably hanging in your closet right now. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you won't just understand what's wrong, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Welcome to Golden Ebony, where Black women over 50 come to rediscover confidence, elegance, and timeless style without apology. And if you believe style should evolve with your power, not disappear with age, subscribe to Golden Ebony, because this channel was created for women who are stepping into their most confident chapter yet. Now, let's begin with the mistake almost every woman has made at least once. This is easily one of the most common style mistakes among women over 50. And honestly, it usually comes from insecurity. For decades, women have been told that loose clothing hides the body, the stomach, the arms, the waistline changes that naturally come with time. So many women start buying blouses 2 sizes too big, hoping they'll look slimmer. But here's the truth. Oversized blouses rarely make a woman look elegant. Most of the time, they erase her shape completely. Instead of looking graceful and relaxed, the fabric simply swallows her presence. And that's the difference between flow and bulk. A flowing blouse moves beautifully with the body. A baggy blouse hangs without structure. One looks intentional. The other looks like you gave up. And I know that sounds harsh, but someone needs to say it honestly. The solution is not tighter clothing. The solution is better structure. Look for soft waist shaping, gentle draping, curved hemlines, and fabric that skims instead of hangs. And if you already own oversized blouses, don't throw them away yet. A front tuck, a structured blazer, a slim belt, those tiny styling tricks instantly restore elegance and proportion. Because your clothes should frame you, not hide you. But the next mistake is the exact opposite problem, and it quietly makes many women look uncomfortable all day long. Many women over 50 are still dressing for the body they had 20 years ago, and that's where the problem begins. When a blouse pulls across the chest, or strains at the buttons, or stiffens every time you move, it doesn't make you look smaller, it makes you look restricted. And elegance never looks restricted. Tight blouses create tension visually. They highlight discomfort. They pull attention toward areas most women are trying to soften. And stiff fabrics make things even worse. Heavy polyester, rough cotton, rigid materials with no movement. They create harsh lines that compete against the softness and grace of a mature woman. The fix? Soft movement. Silk, crepe, soft cotton blends, quality fabrics with subtle stretch. A beautiful blouse should move with you, not fight against you. And here's a simple trick elegant women use in fitting rooms. Raise your arms, turn side to side, reach forward naturally. If the blouse resists your movement even slightly, leave it. because confidence is impossible when your clothing feels like armor. And women who dress beautifully after 50 understand something important. Comfort and elegance are not opposites. The best style always contains both. This mistake ages women instantly, and most people never notice it consciously. Collars and necklines control where attention goes, and outdated necklines quietly drag the entire face downward. High, stiff collars, oversized pointed collars, blouses buttoned tightly to the neck. These styles compress the upper body visually. They shorten the neck. They add heaviness near the face. And after 50, the face should always remain the focal point because your face carries your beauty, your warmth, your wisdom, your confidence. That's what people should notice first, not an outdated neckline from 20 years ago. Soft V-necks are incredibly flattering because they elongate the neck naturally. Scoop necks soften the face beautifully. Mandarin collars feel modern and refined without looking overly trendy. And open necklines also create room for accessories, gold jewelry, pearls, silk scarves. These details instantly elevate mature style when the neckline allows space for them. And honestly, one neckline change can make an entire wardrobe feel younger without trying too hard. If you're realizing that some of these mistakes are sitting in your closet right now, don't feel embarrassed. Most women were never taught these things. That's exactly why Golden Ebony exists. So subscribe and join this community of Black women over 50 who are learning how to dress with confidence, elegance, and intention. Now let's continue, because this next mistake quietly ruins even expensive outfits. Prints are not the enemy, but chaotic prints absolutely are. Large, overwhelming florals, busy geometric patterns, too many competing colors. These prints don't elevate mature beauty, they overpower it. When the print becomes louder than the woman wearing it, the outfit fails. Because style should enhance your presence, not compete with it. Smaller prints almost always look more refined after 50. Soft florals, subtle stripes, muted abstract designs. These patterns add personality without overwhelming the frame. And color matters too, especially for Black women. Rich jewel tones against melanin are breathtaking. Emerald, plum, burgundy, sapphire, these shades create warmth and radiance naturally. And if you absolutely love a bold print, let it be the star. Pair it with clean, neutral trousers or simple bottoms. Balance is what creates elegance, not excess. This mistake surprises many women because longer blouses feel safer, more coverage, more comfort, more hiding. But visually, very long blouses often shorten the body dramatically, especially tunic styles that fall too far below the hips. They drag the eye downward, and suddenly the body loses proportion completely. The most flattering blouse length for most women over 50 usually sits around the hip bone. That length creates shape, it restores balance, and it allows the legs to appear longer and more elegant. Now, if you genuinely love longer tops, you can absolutely still wear them. Just balance them correctly. Slim trousers, straight leg pants, structured bottoms, and never underestimate the power of a French tuck. That tiny front tuck instantly creates shape and sophistication with almost no effort. Stylists use it constantly for a reason. Sleeves are one of the most overlooked details in fashion, but they affect the entire silhouette. Tight sleeves emphasize fullness in the upper arms. Very wide sleeves add unnecessary bulk. And sleeve length controls visual balance more than most women realize. One of the most flattering sleeve lengths after 50 is the 3/4 sleeve. Why? Because it reveals the wrist and forearm, which are naturally elegant areas of the body. It creates openness without overexposure, and it works beautifully in almost every setting: dinner, church, work, casual weekends. Soft flutter sleeves can also be gorgeous when done correctly. The key is movement without heaviness. And here's a tiny style trick that changes everything. Roll your sleeves neatly just below the elbow. Instantly, the outfit feels lighter, fresher, more effortless. Sometimes elegance is not about buying something new. Sometimes it's simply about styling what you already own more intelligently. This final mistake quietly destroys more outfits than almost anything else. Poor fabric quality, and your eye notices it immediately even when your brain doesn't. Cheap, shiny fabric, thin, clingy material, rough synthetic texture. These fabrics reflect light harshly. They wrinkle quickly. They cling in the wrong places, and no matter how expensive the blouse looks online, poor fabric always reveals itself in real life. Elegant women understand something powerful. Fabric is everything. Quality fabric moves differently. It drapes differently. It photographs differently. Soft cotton blends, quality crepe, silk, refined viscose, fine linen. These materials elevate a woman instantly because they move with softness and intention. And texture matters too. Matte finishes, subtle woven details, gentle structure. These details quietly communicate sophistication without needing attention. And here's the simplest shopping rule I can give you. If the fabric feels cheap in your hands, it will look cheap on your body. Trust your instincts. They are usually right. Here's what I want every woman watching this video to remember. Style after 50 is not about hiding yourself. It's not about dressing younger, and it's definitely not about disappearing quietly into the background. It's about refinement. It's about understanding your body deeply enough to honor it beautifully, because you have earned this version of yourself, the wisdom, the confidence, the elegance, and your wardrobe should reflect that clearly. So this week, open your closet differently. Look at your blouses honestly and ask yourself one question. Is this blouse enhancing my presence or hiding it? That single question can transform your style completely. If this video helped you, subscribe to Golden Ebony and become a part of this growing community of elegant, confident Black women over 50 who are embracing beauty, fashion, and self-worth unapologetically. And before you leave, tell me in the comments, which of these blouse mistakes have you been making without realizing it? I'll see you in the next video. Golden Ebony. Fashion, confidence, wellness. Beautifully and unapologetically grown.